Why am I like this? Why am I like this? Today, I think I really like this self-tanner drops. The drops of the self-tan spray. I am gonna put you guys on a tripod and we're gonna do some makeup because that's just what I'm in the mood for today. Hey, it's me! Picked out some things to play with. I should get brushes. Hold. Brushes might be useful, but there's only like a slight possibility that that's actually a thing. So I'm just going to do my base. I'm gonna go in with the Ordinary Marina Hyaluronics. Don't look at my nails, just don't look at them. SMASHBOX Primerizer primer, and then some ALUMIER moisturizer on top. So yeah, I just took a shower. I'm getting my nail stuff in the mail today. So here's my conundrum. I've been using these like self-tan, they're not drops, it's like a spray, but I feel like I'm just always washing it off my face. It also kind of looks splotchy. I haven't quite figured it out yet, okay? Haven't quite figured it out, so let's not make fun of me here. My skin is very, very dry just because of the climate, but I'm just in the mood to do my makeup, so that's what we're gonna do today. Do I look like more sun-kissed glow on my face? And listen, it's not that I'm opposed to the idea of a self-tan. Like I enjoy the concept of being tanned without the sun damage, etc, etc, etc. But the thing is though, is that like, I don't want to shave my body, if that makes sense. Like I'm not in the mood for that. Not in that mood, no. Also, I'm still trying to figure out if I like this primerizer. I'm trying to see if it has the Mariah stamp of approval because Alana swears by it and she's one of my favorite content creator YouTubers. She's hilarious. Don't want this to be a weird video. I'm going in with my L'Oreal Serum foundation. This is in the shade 50. I've had a lot of coffee today. I've eaten, but I find that when I have the percolator kind of coffee, I get shaky sometimes. I don't know why I keep doing it to myself, but so I'm kind of like, I laugh at the fact that I put this foundation on with my hands. I remember once upon a time I thought that putting foundation on with your hands was just such a strange concept. This foundation smells like sunscreen, so it really just makes me feel like I'm putting sunscreen on when I'm at the beach. It just has a really nice coverage. Like I'm digging it. And some of you might be asking, Mariah, why are you putting on makeup to not do anything today? Let me tell you. So when I work during the week, I have to get there by wearing a mask on a bus, and I end up ruining all my makeup when I wear the mask. So especially because today's my day off, I am taking advantage of the makeup wearing sans mask ruining situation, if that makes any sense. I wish you guys could see Storm. He's just sleeping so peacefully beside me and it just makes me so happy. Do you guys see that coverage? I need to go wash my hands now because I got some on my eyebrows. I'm just gonna go in with my Anastasia brow gel. This one's in chocolate, and then also the clear one. I brush my hairs up with the clear one, and then I go in with chocolate and I add just like the slightest bit of color. Oh, that just got all over my face. Now I'm gonna go into the Tartelette Toasted, like the mini toasted palette, and I'm just gonna go in with this light shade Flicker and set my eyes because I don't want it to crease on me too much. Going in with Bondi Bay. I've been really into just like being bronzed again.
Where are you going?
Nowhere.
Where are the bench?
One of them sleeping beside me and the other one sleeping beside me. I know. Now I'm gonna go in.
Muito bem acompanhada.
Yeah, realmente. I'm gonna go in with Sunset Strip. This kind of looks. I'm talking to the camera, mama. Actually, now that I'm doing this, I'm putting some on the back of my hand and going in with that same brush that I put that bronzer on with. I'm gonna like stipple this onto my face. I'm still trying to figure out the blush situation in my life. And then I think I'm gonna go into the Charlotte Tilbury Glow Star palette. I've used this brush for bronzer before, but just checking the mic situation. Okay, so I'm just gonna do a light wash of color, but in the makeup tutorial that I tried to film but ended up filming it with my mic off the whole time, I really enjoyed the way that Nudity, or was it Burnish? Oh my god, I don't remember. Yeah, I used Burnish that day, but I'm gonna use Nudity because this one is also kind of fun. So I'm just gonna color this on my eyeball. And then Nude Stick.
I need to get the coffee going though.
Okay. Now I'm gonna go into the shade Fig, also from NUDESTIX. I need a mirror for this, hold on. I love this color. I'm just trying to figure out how to make it work. And I think I'm gonna take that on the lower lid, or the lower lash line too. This color makes my eyes look really pretty. I actually think I like it. And then I'm gonna go into the ILIA Limitless Lash Mascara. Anyway, I'm gonna put some more of that highlight on because I don't think that I did it quite enough justice. Cute. And then I'm gonna go into this MAC Patent Polish Lip Pencil, which in my opinion it's more of like a lip gloss, but love that for us. Et voila, mes amis! Sometimes my makeup tutorials work, and other times not quite, my friends. I think it's time for chai. What do we think? Do you think it's a good idea? I think so.